In this session, we'll see when the function has no argument, how to convert this function into arrow function. In the last two sessions, we saw how to convert functions with arguments, but in this case, this particular function has no argument. So how does it work? Is it too different? No, it's again very similar. So let's copy this one. So this is my normal function and I'm converting it into an arrow. So let's begin by removing that function keyword. We don't want it in the arrow function, and also we are adding an arrow symbol. Again, because this function has only one line of code, so we'll just get it in the single line, and that's it. This is the arrow function equivalent for this particular normal function.
Hey there. If you're finding this video helpful, you'll love our full online course on JavaScript with node.js. It goes even more in depth and covers everything you need to know. Check out the link in the description to enroll and take your skills to the next level.
But then you will say, in the previous session, when the function had only one argument, we did not need this, the bracket. In this case, when the function has only one argument, should we also remove this and just keep it like this? No. We need these arguments. We need these brackets. For the arrow function, when we do not have any argument, bare minimum requirement is to have these open and close brackets. If we had only one argument, like in the previous case, we could just use that one and no brackets is fine. But because we don't have anything, bare minimum, we need open and close brackets and then arrow symbol and function body. Okay, so let's quickly run. Let's call this one greet and greet1. So when we run this program, we can see both the normal function and the arrow function are working just as fine.
Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into JavaScript with node.js, don't forget to explore our complete online course. Click the link in the description to get started today. Plus, subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on more valuable content in the future. See you in the class.